Si Aya audition din Cebu. Tapos for some reason, hindi namin siya napansin ni Direk Loren. Tapos, when we were going back at the files, kasi nga we were trying to look for girls nga, nakita namin siya. Now she's here with us.
Nung pumasok siya, napatulala ako kasi, OMG, ganito yung suot ko, ganun yung buhok ko. Nagulat lang ako.
At least nakakakanta siya ng refrain in the right key. So, we're going to have this evaluation today because unlike any academy, you have a grading time. We have exams, we have quizzes. This is the one equivalent to it. Okay? So we can begin. You didn't take it seriously when I told you to take the Wednesday to study. Nobody really studied and everybody crammed. Okay, girls, now everybody will do kahit na. Kaya generally, naririnig ko yung voicing kaso may nawawalang lyrics.
Hindi ko alam kung naiintindihan ba ninyo. What's at stake, how you have to perform, and especially at days when it counts. Sa totoo, today's Judgment Day, drop. Yun.
Oh, okay.
So we will see you next Friday. Hopefully we can see better performances. Okay, so what I'm going to show you now is how you are ranked.
Parang there's so much ahead of you guys. Everybody's working hard for this, pero like in any contest naman or in any competition, there's always a winner and there's always a loser. You still have around 4 weeks to prove yourselves.
Huwag na natin payagan na hindi tayo ni-launch. Huwag yung tanggapin sa sarili niyo na hindi tayo malalunch, na iba na lang yung career natin. Kasi ito yung pinaghirapan natin, di ba? Di ba? More effort, guys. Di ba? More practice. Kung hindi kayo kasama, pangarap natin. Nag-sink in din sa akin na may chance po na hindi pa kami ma-launch lahat. Ipupush pa nga natin yung sarili natin. Ha? Uy. Hindi ko alam. Sama-sama tayo.
Ready?
Hindi alam kung bakit ako'y nahulog sa'yo. Ano bang sabihin nila? Dahil ikaw ang aking utak. Ang pusong iibig. Ikaw ang para sa akin. Sayang daw ang puso na kanyang itsura. Hindi alam kung ano ba ang nagdudulap ikaw.
It was very stable. You're more blended now. So it's telling that this training is really working. You sound so much better as a group. So all the parts where there was harmony, I could hear the voicing. Thank you very much.
Never po sumanggi sa isip ko na mag-quit ako.
Dumating po sa halos gabi-gabi nag-iiyakan po kami lahat.
야야 집중해 집중해.
Kakayanin ko ba?